for you guys today. This is a 55-inch all-in-one interactive smart board. This is from HKMLC, and it is going to change the way you do business and change your classrooms. It is a beautiful, bright, gorgeous display screen, 55 entire inches, and I believe there's options for even larger if you need that. And you notice down here at the bottom, instead of using the wall mount, I've gone ahead and put this on the smart board mount with wheels, making it very, very easy to roll around and convenient to move from classroom to classroom or boardroom into meeting room. So, what exactly is this? It is an all-in-one smart board. It's got a whiteboard, a stylus, a screen, and it is basically going to take the best of so many of your everyday tools and put it all into one. So this is going to be kind of like a television, a projector, a tablet, a computer, all rolled into one. We're going to check it out. I'm going to try to tell you about all of the features and unpack these one by one. There's a lot to unpack, and I guarantee you, if you are an educator looking to make a more engaging classroom, if you are trying to connect more with your remote teams in business, or you're just trying to give a really great presentation, this is going to be something that you want to stick around and learn more about. Let's kick it off. So first thing here, I want to talk about the design, and that is a complete 55-inch screen with ultra bright colors. This is a 4K Ultra HD screen, and the cool thing about this, of course, it is a touch screen, so you can draw easily on the screen, and we will go into this later, but everything is touchscreen, so you can use this a little bit more so like a tablet. It's really easy to navigate to all of your favorite apps and so much more. It also has a very modern finish. You're going to notice a super thin bevel over on the side that just gives it a really modern, beautiful vibe that fits into any home, office, or educational space. And of course, I really love the smart board stand as well. You can see there's plenty of room to keep your remotes, your phone, even your tumbler or coffee down here, all the things that you might need while giving a presentation. You've got space for it. Of course, your stylus as well, and it is all magnetic, so those aren't going to be rolling off. But speaking of rolling, you are going to notice the wheels do roll, and that's going to make this very easy to move classroom to classroom, space to space. But don't worry, boom, super easy. They lock into place, and with that wheel lock on, you're going to have a lot of stability, ensuring that your screens, the 55-inch all the way up into the larger models that fit this, are going to be nice and protected while also being super convenient to access. And back here, I will show you these brackets to demonstrate that it is height adjustable, meaning that whether you have this for little kids story time in a classroom or executives in a business meeting, you're going to be able to get the perfect height and the perfect display for your audience. So now that we have discussed the form, let's talk about the function, what makes this so powerful. So we are working with an Android 11.0 system and a A7 CPU with a 32 gigabyte solid state drive. And what all of that adds up to mean is that you are dealing with something that is fast and powerful. It's going to be ultra responsive, and that means that you can run multiple applications all at the same time, and you're going to be able to switch back and forth between different tasks without any lag or delay. This is really like having a whiteboard that also functions as a beautiful screen and a tablet all in one. So one of the greatest things about this whiteboard is that it really feels very natural to write on. This is because of the infrared technology and a response of super fast 8 microseconds. So what that means for you is that when you go to write, say, your ideas, you're brainstorming, and you're thinking about different things, it feels a lot like you're writing on pen and paper. It feels very natural, and there's no delayed response time. And in fact, if you want to be a little bit more interactive and more collaborative, you are able to simultaneously use 20 different touch points at the same time for joint brainstorming sessions. So speaking of that interactivity, you're going to be able to actually easily upload all your ideas and everything to the cloud. So it's pretty seamless. So say you're in a class where you took a lot of notes, or maybe you have an interactive brainstorming session with your team. Super, super easy to save. You can save it locally, of course, or you can just click right here and upload to the cloud. And this will be able to share things automatically with your team. On top of that, check this out, very, very cool, and I think super handy for teachers as well. Say you spend all day working on a math problem or taking notes on a board, or just notes from a meeting. Right here, scan. This is going to generate a QR code, and anyone in the classroom, boardroom, meeting room is able to scan this, and all of a sudden they have everything from your meeting and presentation automatically. No more asking your neighbor for their notes. You got it right here. So this board obviously has access to so many built-in things, and also you're able to go to the Play Store down here, sign in with your Google account, and have access to basically every single app out there, especially the ones that you're going to need for business. You can have your Microsoft Teams, your Zoom, all that good stuff. Click on right here, and have it just work. In addition, obviously, to the Whiteboard function, you're going to be able to go to your favorite streaming sites and use this like a gorgeous 55-inch screen. So think, watch your YouTube videos, Netflix, any of your favorite streaming sources. This is a great option. It's a complete all-in-one multimedia